Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be making the trim. Now, on our unit here, our top piece is going to have trim on both sides and in the front, so we need 3 pieces of trim for that. Our bottom piece is actually going to have a kick plate type of trim on it. Now, our sides are going to have a piece of trim in the front. We're going to hold off on doing this kick plate piece of trim for now, and we're going to focus on making these other pieces of trim for our project. The trim for my side pieces is going to be 30 1/4 inches by 3/4 by 3/4. For my top piece, my side pieces of trim are going to be 10 1/4 inches by 3/4 by 3/4. And then my front piece of trim is going to be 69 inches, but then I need to add 1.5 inches because I'm having trim on both sides and I need to cover that up. So it'll be 70.5 total. On my board, I'm going to make a cut at 70.5 inches, and I'm going to rip out that piece of trim. I'm then going to cut that board into sections of 30 1/4 inches so that I can get my other pieces of trim. It's going to save me a little bit of lumber in the end. I'm going to rip it to 3/4 of an inch, but I'm actually going to add about a 32nd of an inch onto that so that I can have a little bit to work. I'm going to go ahead and cut another piece at that full length of 70.5, and then I'm going to cut it down from there for my side pieces. And lastly, I'm just going to plane down my pieces until I get the size that I want.